This video tutorial explains how to wirelessly connect the LH7P monitor to a Canon R5 camera via Wi-Fi. Open the camera menu and navigate to the Network tab. Select Wi-Fi settings and enable Wi-Fi. Press menu to return, then select Wi-Fi Bluetooth connection. Choose remote control. Select Add a device to connect to. And note the SSID password. On the monitor screen, tap to open the menu. Click Camera, turn on Wi-Fi, then select Add New Device. Choose your camera, enter the SSID password correctly, and click OK. Wait approximately 5 seconds and exit the menu. The camera menu will then display a Start Pairing Devices notice. If this notice does not appear, check if the SSID password was entered correctly. Select OK. When Connect to the PC appears, the camera connection is successful. Exit the camera menu. Tap the monitor screen again to open the camera control menu. Click Rec to start and stop recording. Click Focus to activate tracking focus. Click Iris to adjust the aperture value. Click Shutter to modify the shutter speed. Click ISO to adjust the camera's ISO settings. Click Focus. In MFS mode, use buttons to adjust focus manually. In AF mode, enable touch to focus on the monitor screen. Click the camera mode icon to switch recording modes. Click WB to change white balance presets. When white balance is set to color temperature, click CT to fine-tune the color temperature. If ISO is set to auto, click AV to adjust exposure compensation. This concludes the tutorial for wireless Wi-Fi connection between the LH7P monitor and Canon R5 camera.